The Caspian community developers never stop working. The Caspian community never stops crushing it. And soon enough, we will have our own browser wallet extension similar to MetaMask for Kaspa. This is huge stuff. This is massive. Caspians, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you're interested in this type of content, man, watch the video until the end because we're going to dive into it. This is from Documenting Casper. Breaking: Casper funding for MetaMask Lightcast browser extension wallet fully completed and closed. Details from Discord. In short, this fund is aimed to back up creation of a browser wallet extension for Casper similar to MetaMask, supporting Firefox and Chrome-based browsers. It should implement all the basic wallet functionality as well as contact book, user settings, website to wallet communication API, and merchant mode. See vote above for details. People keep asking, how can I buy Casper to MetaMask? So let's create the wallet that's destined to eventually replace MetaMask. Talk your stuff, man. Yo, the devs in Cas just continue to crush it, man. That's awesome. Especially after Casper smart contracts are implemented. So eventually they're more with smart contracts, you know, there may be swaps implemented to the Casper wallet, man. I wonder what the Casper wallet will be called, the MetaMask type wallet. Thanks to Italian community's last massive effort, the MetaMask Lite browser extension wallet fundraising is fully completed and closed. Good luck to Cathin PX and his teammates in implementing the wallet for us. This is from Tim, right? That is freaking bullish. That is some awesome news, and I'm telling you guys, that is what is this is what you like to see in Casper. You'll never see it somewhere else in any other project, because this is all community developers coming together, getting crowdfunded similar to like a GoFundMe, etc. The community does a raise for a fundraise for, you know, whatever specific development, and it gets to that certain level, and then boom, the community devs start to go hard on it, man. There's so many other projects in the space where the team has so much access to, like, you know, finances, and they have hundreds of thousands of dollars. And when it comes to these funds that Casper, you know, the Caspians deal with, more than likely it's like $10,000 to $30,000 at most, you know, that is sent to from, you know, donated from the community, right? And they're able to accomplish so much, whereas with other projects, like I was saying, have, you know, so much funds available, hundreds of millions, and the project isn't going anywhere, man. The development, the GameFi projects, a lot of GameFi projects in the space, the games are not good. They're not developed properly. The DeFi protocols keep failing. There are security issues. You know, it just goes to show, with true decentralization, you could find an absolutely amazing project, and that is Casper. Sam Paul, extremely bullish on Cas. Big things are coming very soon. Rust mainnet beta 10 BPS making history again. MetaMask Lite browser wallet extension listing on a tier 1 ledger. Lot of integrations, some huge things that we already know coming long term. Dagnite 100 BPS smart contracts. First coin ever to solve the trilemma with its unique layer 1 structure. Blot that proof of work following Nakamoto's consensus. I see it on the long term to be the first coin ever in history to take ETH's seat, guys, and the current price is only 3 cents per Casper, man. You know, look at his targets. First target $1, peak bull run target $5, peak of the next bull run $30 for Casper in the next bull run after that, from Sam Paul, man. I'm telling you guys. And you know, these price targets that people have are not even that impossible. Like, crypto is, you know, always blows people's minds away, and when you have a project like Cas, the king of DAGs, right? We've seen other projects that are trying to, you know, hop on the DAG wave now. Kaspa is the king of it, right? The most innovative, unique tech we've seen in a long time in the space, right? And when he says right here, he sees the project could be the first coin ever in history to take ETH seat, I believe that is truly possible with Casper, guys. From MMO stars, more ways to control your Cas is coming with standalone browser extension wallet for Chromium-based FF browsers, right? People keep asking how can I buy Cas on MetaMask, and now they'll develop a MetaMask type extension, and from the sounds of things, replace or try to compete, you know, with MetaMask, which is freaking bullish, man. Bitcoin scoop: Cas will get its own browser extension. You have to love that community. Casper is an L1 block DAG, you know, and this is some huge news, man. This is absolutely fantastic and amazing to see for Cas. Casper is true decentralization. We've never seen any other project like this, man. Again, like I said, with the developments, most of the developments are crowdfunded, right? You know, people in the community raise funds, and again, it's nothing too crazy. And look at what, with just like a minuscule amount of donations can be accomplished when, you know, there's projects in this space with hundreds of millions of dollars and they're not accomplishing anything, man. You know, this space needs a change. This space is too oversaturated with terrible projects, man. So when you see a project like Casper, you know this is a once in a lifetime opportunity to get your hands on a project that'll be here for the long term, not the short term, you know. Not similar to what people say it's here for. It's not, in the case of Casper, it's not gonna be here for a good time, not a long one, right? It's gonna be here for a good time and a long time as well, right? That's what you're gonna see with Casper, guys. Right here, Casper on CoinMarketCap community tab, introducing a new tutorial series by Finance Change for Casper users of the app. Remember, you could store your Cas on the Change wallet as well. And right here, we're gonna have they're gonna have a tutorial process how you could set that up. How to create a Change self-custodial wallet. Follow the step-by-step guide. Explore the power of self-custody with Cas. Your keys, your coins, your control. 3 more tutorials coming soon. Please subscribe to keep updated. And right here, we have YouTube videos with the explanation from, looks like the official Casper YouTube channel, which is very nice to see. And you know, tutorials makes things a lot easier and simpler for everyone. So if you can't, or you don't have the opportunity to get, you know, the Tangent wallet, you could store your Cas on the Change wallet as well, right? Zeng Ol, Cas, we're getting started. Accumulation phase is over soon. 10 BPS plus tier 1 exchange going to catalyze your next run to 7 cents by October. 2 thumbs ups, 2 hearts for that. And from Casper, once again on the CMC community tab, this is a great example of how Cas governance works. Most global decisions happen via a community vote and or community fundraising. Again, true decentralization. We had a you know, speaking of that, you remember the sometime last year or 2021, there was a huge like explosion in DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. Casper has been true to the DAO consensus way more than some of the top DAOs in the space are, right? Honestly, if you think about it. Come participate in the process by joining Discord or Telegram and casting your vote on the first round of custom designed Casper Tangent cards. And then we have the article right here. Vote now for Casper Tangent cards, right? So right here we have new cards for the Tangent wallet specifically designed for Casper. We've been working with the Tangent wallet team to create custom cards for you, and crew are presenting these 4 concepts for you to vote on. Rhubarbian, okay? Go to our Discord and vote and to vote for the challenge to participate or see the pin post in Telegram. Please choose your favorite. There could only be one to get this going, so you must choose your favorite. On screen is a chosen. We will submit it to Tangent team. They will get ready for production. This article is a bit old, honestly, so they probably already selected which card they're going to be using. But again, this is just interesting to see that developments keep happening in a fully decentralized ecosystem. We need to hit a threshold of 350 orders before they move forward with the orders. Okay. Oh, that's actually going to be today. Voting will last until Tuesday, September 5th. Okay, so the voting just ended today. Interesting. Awesome stuff, man. So you have, this is the first version, right? This is the second. This is the third. This is the fourth. Okay. Personally, I like the first version and the third version a lot. I'll be honest. Very awesome to see for Casper, man. The development just never stops, and this is all community working towards the success of a project. From charts, OP, blockchain, Casper update, it seems the chart was on point. We did bounce from yesterday's support of 33 cents and now going up to try to break the resistance at 36 cents. We are also seeing reversal in RSI. I will wait for the price to either get rejected or go above 36 cents before taking my next action. Let's zoom in on that, guys. Again, you know, the daily chart, the monthly chart for Casper is shaping up pretty nicely, right? We are holding this support, man. We are holding this support very much so at 33 cents, and you know, we bounce from that, man. We start the uptrend from here. We could see 7 to 8 cents Casper by the end of the year, actually. The MetaMask type wallet extension is incoming. Huge news for Casper. Let me get your thoughts down below. Caspians, thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, become a channel member, and I'll catch you in the next one.